Good morning, you bastards. Well, as you can see, I'm looking very snazzy, and I'm going to an exam. You know which one, the speech one, that I've been freaking out about, kind of. But it's done, and I think I have it. Fuck, did I just leave it at home? I gotta check. I totally forgot my speech at home! I'm such a dunce. I really am. I'm very much a dunce. It's only because this is my last exam, and then I'll be done for the summer. So, hopefully, this goes off with a hitch, and I don't freak out anymore. Well, that wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. I actually went overtime, so hopefully that doesn't affect my grade. But I actually did really well. I went last, but I did really well. I'm actually kind of happy about that I did well, even though I wrote it this morning. Oh, by the way, I'm filming this on my camera, my cell phone, because I left my camera at my apartment because I was too busy doing this. Hopefully the quality's not bad. So now I'm gonna go get food. I'm gonna change out of my monkey suit, and then I'm gonna go to work at 2 p.m. What time is it? I got plenty of time. Welcome to the stage. We have it set up for band concert tonight, and I'm working it tonight, so you're gonna probably see some lovely footage of little high schoolers or middle schoolers, I'm not sure which, but they're gonna be playing music tonight, and I get to listen to them. They're usually not bad, but sometimes they really are, let's be honest. Not many people were good in band in high school. But yeah, lovely view. You see it? See it? I'm not afraid of you, you bastard. See you. You flew at me this time. I'm not going to give you the satisfaction. You can twitch at me all you want. I don't give a shit. Yeah, that's what I thought. Everyone's leaving, but we're staying here because we gotta work.
Oh, you're making a video?
I'm doing vlogs.
Oh.
Well,
Yeah.
hi.
Yo!
Yo!
I need to be known.
Need to be known.
Calm
You need
down.
to be
Lift me
known.
up.
Yeah, everyone's leaving me. Everyone's leaving me.
Sorry, Andrew, me, you, tonight.
All right.
Otherwise known as whack-a-mole. Actually, whack-a-hole. Whack-a-hole is a lot better than
Whack-a-hole.
Oh God, whack-a-hole.
Whack-a-hole.
Whack-a-hole, ladies and gentlemen. Apparently that's some gay euphemism for something. Woo!
How do I take a video, Cope?
Hello. Welcome.
Give it.
Press it down. Don't lose the thing. Well, that's everything. So, everyone have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Name off of the fucking thing, you know what I'm saying?
That's
like,
so
that is
cool.
so fucking crazy.
Whoa.
Dude, I want to do this shit all the time.